everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I have got a special video for you. Actually, this is a requested video. One of my dear subscriber, Miss Deepti Srivastav, actually had requested me to make a video for lipsticks, that is budget friendly lipsticks, and all should be almost nude. Alright, so I just digged my collection and I tried to find as many as options available with me. Of course, a few of them are not exactly nude, but if you apply this light-handedly and if you can manage with this, then of course you can count it as nude. Actually, nude for each and every person, nude's definition is different. For me, nudes is like for me basically I'm talking about is like light brown, light mauve, light what terracotta, but light shades. For me, nude means that. Of course, each and every person has different definitions for nudes. Now before if I just start rambling, before that, just it's a request to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. Alright, now let's begin with the video. Dipti, this video is for you. Alright, now I have basically this sort shades. Few of them like this one. Of course the MRP of this is 499. The MRP of this is around 399. But if you will search, I got this lipstick at 200 rupees from Amazon. Yes, you do get nice discounts. So during sale times, Dipti, please check out. Of course, this is not only for Dipti. This is for all the other who are nude lovers. This video is basically for them. Alright, so this all like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 options are there right now. Oh sorry, 9 options are there, and I have few other bonus lipsticks also. I'll just share, but these are little bit expensive, not exactly expensive, but if you talk about 200 250, then these lipsticks are little bit costlier than that. This is basically a lip gloss, so definitely this is under 200, maybe around 200 to 25, but some people doesn't like lip gloss, so I'll be talking about all this little later. First I'll talk about all these lipsticks. First lipstick is this NY Bay lipstick. Actually the shade name is very light. What I'll do is, it is very light, but I have shopped through purple, so definitely I'll give you the link in the description box so y'all can check. The first is NY Bay lipstick. Y'all can see it is in creamy finish, so if someone is looking out for some creamy finish lipstick, then this is the first shade. This is basically a light pink color lipstick. So first is from NY Bay. I cannot read the name because the name is very tiny. Definitely I'll link this product, and this is around I think MRP is around 100, but definitely below 100 rupees. So I think 80 90, but definitely below 100. So this is the first lipstick. The second lipstick is this Darling Isabella lipstick. The shade in this also, actually the shade names are printed very chotu motu, so I'll definitely link all these products. Okay, so this is Darling Isabella. The MRP of the same is 125 rupees. You all can see over here it is written 125, but definitely during sale time you can get it at much cheaper rate, so maybe around 100 or maybe lesser than that. So see, this is the second lipstick. Okay, I have not differentiated between bullet and liquid lipstick. I have just gathered everything, like bullet also as well as the liquid lipstick also. So this is the Darling Isabella shade, the second number. Okay, the shade number is over here. It is shade number 6, Magnificent Maroon Royalty. Okay, the shade number is here. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is the second shade. The third shade is my recent purchase. It is from Darling Isabella again. It is the shade name is given over here. It is shade number 9, Duchess Reliable Brown. Okay, in my collection you will mostly find brown shades because I am a sucker of brown shade. Okay, so y'all can see I have not even opened it. So this is the shade. I'll just swatch it here for you. Y'all can definitely go light-handed with this, but this is definitely a very good brown shade. So if you will apply light hand, you can definitely count it as, of course this is little bit dark, but then if you will apply light hand, then this you can count. Okay, and the MRP of this is 185, but during sale you can get buy one get one free also, so around 90 or maybe max to max 100 rupees. Okay, The third shade what I want to talk with you about is Blue Heaven Super Matte Luxurious Intense Color. It is the Splash collection. This is very good lipstick. I like this lipstick. The MRP of the same is 175 rupees. You all can see over here. Okay, it is 175 rupees. It comes in this kind of packaging. This is not new launch, definitely. The shape is little bit different. You all can see it's a teardrop shape. This is one swipe and it is brown. So any skin shade person, dark, light, fair, medium, anyone can use this and can pull off the shade very well. Okay, I'll just tell you the name of the shade. It is 307 Chocolate Mood. Okay, I'm so sorry. 307 Chocolate Mood is the shade name. I don't know. Camera is also not cooperating with me, but definitely 307 Chocolate Mood because I'm sure of this shade. Okay, so the MRP I've told you, it is 175, but during sale time you can find it on much cheaper rate. The next lipstick is from Iba Halal. It is their Pure Lips color range, moisture rich lipstick. Okay, the MRP of this is 210, you all can see, but definitely during sale times you can definitely get this lipstick under 200 rupees. Okay, the shade name is Pink Nectar. Before I forget, I'll tell you the shade name. It is Pink Nectar. It is given over here. Shade number is A85, I guess. Pink Nectar. You can see Pink Nectar is the shade. And just watch this shade also. Even this is very good shade. Pink Nectar. This is not matte. This is little bit creamy finish. So this is the Iba Halal one. Okay. Earlier one was Blue Heaven one. So this is Iba Halal and this is halal certified brand. So definitely you all can give it a shot if you all are looking out for some halal certified lipstick or something. The next two lipsticks are my very dear lipstick. These both are very near to my heart. One is Touch of Spice and one is Nude Nuance. Both lipsticks are of 299, but definitely during sale time. Even this lipstick earlier never used to go on sale, but nowadays on Nykaa also I have seen this on sale. So this is 660 Touch of Spice. You all can see 660 Touch of Spice. This is the next shade, 299. But if you will buy from Flipkart during sale, you can get in combo like 3 lipsticks for 700 or maybe 750. So y'all can, they have some particular shades, but if your shade comes in that particular bunch, then definitely go for that bunch, because then in 700 you'll get, of course, this 3, then y'all friends can decide and then y'all can distribute amongst yourself. So y'all can see this is 660 Touch of Spice, a very light pink nude shade. Okay, the next shade is over here, Nude Nuance. This is also a very good shade, a nude shade. Y'all can see I have already used this and I like this shade. So Nude Nuance is the next shade, right? Then we'll come to the next. This, as I told you, this is Maybelline Color Jot Matte Lipstick. Okay, the shade name is Evocative Mauve, if I'm not wrong. Once again, I just read somewhere. Where is the shade name? So sorry. As usual, Meghna. One second. I actually read somewhere the shade name. In any case, I'll just specify the shade name also. It is Evocative Mauve 100. Yeah, see here. It is Evocative Mauve 14. Okay, over here. So even this is a mauve shade. Of course, the MRP of this is 400 rupees. But as I told you, like during the sale from Amazon, I got it for around, see, 200 rupees. So even this is very nice, light. If you are looking out for this kind of shade, definitely this you can go for Evocative Mauve. And the applicator is little different. You all must have seen. It is in this kind of sponge tip applicator. So definitely you all can go for this kind of shade. Okay, so this is the next shade. And the last shade which I want to talk about is the very famous cult favorite is this Give Me Mocha from Wet n Wild. Now you will say this lipstick is around for 499, but during sale on Flipkart or maybe on Hawk Makeup, you can find this lipstick on flat 50% off. I got this lipstick on from Flipkart on flat 50% off. That is, I just paid 250 rupees for this lipstick. So even this comes under that 200-250 category, and this is a very pretty brown shade. You can see, very pretty daily shade. If you are looking out for some shade which you can wear daily, then this is the shade. Okay, so this are basically all light shades. Only this one is little bit darker. That is Darling Isabella one. But if you will go little light hand, then this all are the light nude shades. Of course, you all can see my more shade range falls on the brown sides because I always apply brown nude lipsticks. I do not basically go for peachy nude because that colors washes me out. I am little bit on medium too, like medium skin, so peach color washes me out, and pink color I do not wear because you all know I'm a mother of a 12-year-old son, and if I'll wear pink nude, then everyone will call me pinky, and I don't like that. And basically I have never tried any pink lipstick. Of course, if you want to count, then this is a pink lipstick, rest all are mostly brown lipstick. Now I just want to I will not swatch all this, but this is just some bonus. If you are looking out, then you all can go for this I Woke Up Like This from Stay Quirky. Of course, the MRP of this is, I guess, 450 rupees. 450 rupees, 449, so that is 450, but during sale you can find this. And I guess in this also they have come up with mini, so definitely I'll swatch this because in mini I think that mini one is for, I'm not sure, 199, and like during sale definitely much cheaper. I'll just swatch this for you because if you are looking out, then this will be a beneficial for you. See, okay, so this is I Woke Up Like This. This is also a very famous shade from their range, so if you are looking out, you can go for this shade as well. If you suppose someone doesn't have the budget of that much, you can go for mini also, because in any case you all are not going to finish the whole lipstick. At least I am not going to finish. Okay, then this I will not swatch because this is a little bit darker. This is Bella Voste in the shade Cinnamon. I like this shade a lot. You can see 04 Cinnamon. This is a very pretty shade, but definitely this is not nude. This is little bit darker, so I will not swatch, but definitely if you are looking out, you can check out from Purple. See, I have got from Purple itself. You can check out from Purple. The MRP of this, I'm not sure, but it is around 299 or something. But during sale time, definitely 35% I have seen basically off on this Bella Voste brand. So minimum 35% off. Then if you are looking out for some other liquid lipstick, you can go in this range. I'm not telling you to go for this range, but in this particular, not telling you to go for this shade, but in this range you can try other shades. In this is NYWay X Shakti collection. This is in the collaboration with Shakti, the super famous dancer. Okay, and the MRP of this is 280, but during sale definitely you can get this on buy one get one, so that is 140 rupees for each. So in this you have lot of options, so you can go for the other shade. Mine shade is Peppy Poppin, shade number 11, Peppy Poppin. Okay, so in this also you can go. As I told you, if you are looking out for some lip gloss, then definitely you all can try Lakme lip gloss, very good. And if you have a Studio West store somewhere nearby you, then you can, or if at all it is available, I'm not sure, then even Studio West has nice lip gloss collection. I am planning to buy one or two from their range, but definitely Studio West have very nice collection of their lip gloss. Of course, no shade range, not much variety, but their lip gloss are very good. So you can try this Lakme lip gloss. If you want, you can try this kind of Wet n Wild lipstick. This is High Shine Brilliance lipstick. It is Jam With Me. Okay, but this is little bit darker. I will not say this is light, but see, you all can see it is very sheer lipstick. So if you are looking out for some but definitely this is sheer. This is shiny lipstick. This is not this is high shine lipstick. This is not matte. In this also there is one other range in matte, but in matte I have a darker shade, so I have not got here right now for you. But you can see this is Jam With Me. It's very light, pretty, but if you are looking out for some glossy lips, then you can go for this shade. Okay, so this is that, and the last shade is this Mauve one. Okay, this is from Maybelline Lip Gradation. Now you all will say ki Meghna, this lipstick, are you crazy? This lipstick is all for around 550 rupees. Yes, this is for 550 rupees. But during sale from Amazon, from Flipkart, you can get it on 50% off. Okay, so I'll just show you. This is also a very pretty shade, but as I always say, all my lipsticks are basically on brown side. So this is that. Okay, this is Mauve one from their lip gradation range. In this is like you have to like retract. It is retractable. You don't need any pencil or anything, lip pencil, and as well as this comes with a smudger. So if you want to lighten the shade, you can use this smudger and you can lighten. I never use this smudger because I like my lipstick to be this way only. So this all are the shades. I hope this video is of little bit of help to any one of you. If yes, then please share this video with your friends and family, and give it a huge thumbs up. If you do not like the video, please don't give thumbs down. Please, it discourages us lot of times, so please don't do it. Not only me, the other persons who are going to give me a like also, they will not give me a like. So please don't discourage anyone else. Okay, so this is my work, and whatever I'm doing, it's my work. So if you have any other video request in your mind, please come up with your comments. Definitely I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.